Welcome to PGCast, a production of Hashrocket. My name is Jack Christensen. Our topic this week is the new skip locked function of Postgres 9.5. The most obvious use for skip locked is multiple workers consuming jobs from a single source. So our example will be a simple job queue. We will create a simple jobs table with ID and payload columns. Now let's add a few jobs. Let's take a look at the table. So we've got a couple jobs loaded. Now let's look at what a worker would typically do if it was going to work some of these jobs. So Postgres' row locking functionality only works inside of a transaction. So the first thing we do is start a transaction. Next, we have to select a row with a for update clause. Now the worker application would execute the job, which in this case is to send an email. Once completed, the job would be deleted. So this works fine for a single worker, but what would happen if we had multiple workers? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up another Postgres connection. And in this connection, we are going to do the same thing we did before. And we have a row. We go over here, we do the same thing. And the second worker is blocked trying to read the locked row. Now if we go back to this record here and we finish it out, immediately you can see the other connection is able to make progress. So with this style of locking, our workers are serialized. There really isn't any point in having more than one worker at a time. So we'll finish this connection over here. Now, skip locked is the new feature in Postgres 9.5 that solves this issue. It purposely bypasses the isolation between transactions that Postgres normally provides and skips rows that other transactions have locked. Let's try this again. So we're going to start the same way. We're going to begin new transaction. We are going to select, but instead of just saying for update, we're going to say skip locked. Now if we do the same thing over here, you notice both connections were able to select and lock different rows. Now we can have multiple workers consuming from the same job queue at the same time. Thanks for watching.